solve the differential equation x plus 2y dx plus 2x plus y dy equals 0. So, we have several methods to solve this DE. You can check if it's exact. It is also a homogeneous DE of the first degree. But I notice a simpler solution. So I will distribute the differential. So x dx plus 2y dx plus 2x dy plus y dy is equal to 0. And then, so notice that we can already integrate this term, x dx and y dy. But how about for these two terms? We can factor out the 2. So x dx plus 2 times y dx plus x dy plus y dy is equal to 0. Notice that it is an exact differential. By applying the product rule, y dx plus x dy is equal to dxy, right? Differential of xy is equal to y dx plus x dy, the product rule for derivatives. Plus y dy is equal to 0. So we can now integrate both sides. So integrating both sides, the integral of x dx by power rule is x squared over 2 plus, so 2, put it in front of the integral. So 2 integral of dxy. So the integral of dxy is whatever is inside the differential, the xy. Right? So 2xy. As if you treat this xy as v. So if you treat xy as v, 2 integral of dv is 2v. Right? But v is xy. So therefore, you can substitute xy here in the v. So therefore, 2 integral of the xy is 2xy. Plus, the integral of y dy power rule is y squared over 2. Then equal to the integral of 0 on the right side, it's 0. But we need to put c for the constant of integration. So if you want to remove the denominator, the 2, we can multiply both sides of the equation by 2. So distribute the 2. So 2x squared over 2, cancel out the 2. We just have x squared plus 2 times 2xy, 4xy. Plus 2 times y squared over 2, cancel out the 2, y squared. Then equals 2 times c, 2c. But this constant 2 can be absorbed by c. So therefore, we can just make this 2c as simply c. So the final general solution will be x squared plus 4xy plus y squared is equal to c.